Kisses don't have a dirty mind. Just be a classic guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you'll need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special love, then tell me I'm beautiful each and every night.
Gusto ko daw gawin. Mawalat ng nan.
That love me right.
Of course! Maraming salamat, Jazz! Hello! Thank you! Ganda-ganda ni Jazz! Grabe! Please greet our kapamilya! Hello, kapamilya!
Grabe. Ano masasabi mo kaya sobrang daming tao dito sa Vista Mall, Bataan?
Grabe, nakita ko 6 a.m. yung iba dito na.
6 a.m.?
6 a.m. Andito ba 6 a.m.? Tama ba? Or 6 a.m. sila nagkita. Lahat ng chefs, lahat ng fandom. So, grabe, thank you for supporting each and every housemate from the start until this day.
Wow! Pero ito, Jazz, meron tayong tanong, ano yung pinaka-paborito mong moments sa loob ng bahay niyo?